Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wish for roads during Fishman in Fish on Roblox. Now this method helps you unlock the special fishing roads using the events system. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open Roblox. Then you need to simply join Fish game during the Fishman's event. Now, once you spawn, you need to look around the map for the Fishman's events area. Now, you need to go to the wishing spot and event NPC where Fishman's rewards are available. Then you need to interact with it and choose the wish option. Next, you need to make sure that you have enough event currency and the wish tokens. These are usually earned by fishing, completing the event tasks and the daily rewards. After that, you can select the road wish option from the list and confirm your wish. If you are lucky, the road will be unlocked instantly and appear in your inventory. If you don't get the road on the first try, you can keep earning the tokens and try wishing again during the event. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.